and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikhail Naidu. Today is just something so fun. I love doing this every year. It is my Christmas gift guide video. So I just go through a couple of things which I know will be really cool gifts if you want to splurge on someone, for someone special, or if you're working with a budget. So I have 5 or 6 different kinds of gift ideas, and if you guys want to see what those are, then keep watching. So the first gift that we have on the list is a special one, and if you want to splurge on someone special, this is super cute. This is a gift from Daniel Wellington. What I really love about their products is that they package it so luxuriously. It's like you can unpack a Christmas gift any day of the year. But what I love about their products is that their products are really high quality, and you are definitely getting your money's worth. So this is what it looks like. And you would open it up and this would pop out, and it has the Daniel Wellington logo there. You would take it out like that, and inside you would have your Daniel Wellington watch. Was that someone special? I promise you, anyone that gets a gift like this is definitely going to enjoy it. And I love the packaging so much, especially for Christmas. Now, if you're not wanting to spend too much, because I know the watches can be quite expensive, and you just want something small but something really cute and really nice, they also have their classic cups, and it comes just like the other packaging. You open it up and it looks like this, and it's such an experience altogether. And the classic cup comes in this little packaging here, and it looks like this classic cup, and it's so pretty, it's so luxurious, and anyone will love it. It's a statement piece on its own, even without the watch, even if you don't want to spend that much. So definitely I would recommend this for someone special for the year if you're looking to buy them a gift. Also, I just wanted to mention that you do get 15% off if you use my code, which is Mikhail15, and that is running throughout the whole of December. So if you want to go and get a gift, you can either hop online or go to your nearest store. I know there's one in Mall of Africa here in Johannesburg. So if you want to go there to their store, you're more than welcome to go and purchase a gift and use my discount code for 15% off. Okay, next up, I want to really share with you guys, it's one of my favorite scents, and I'm saying this because I recently just stumbled upon it. I've never ever tried one of their scents before, but I really love this scent, and I really think it's a really cool gift for someone special. It is the DKNY Stories perfume, and I love this so much because firstly, it's such a feminine smell. I don't know why I would really suggest you get this, especially for someone who loves to travel and loves New York. This bottle is shaped like the Chrysler Building and the Empire State Building in New York. So it's such a nice little touch to it, and a little personalized touch, and it's like a rose pink color, which is so beautiful. Love it so much. And I would definitely get that as a gift. So I'm all about fashion, and I love fashion, but what I really love about fashion is something that can double up as a fashion item and as something that you're supposed to use it for. So this stunning one-piece Seafolly costume is so luxurious and so pretty for someone special, and it doubles up as like a boob tube top. You can wear it with jeans, you don't have to wear it as a costume all the time, which I think is so super cute. I've been using this throughout the whole of summer, and I love it so much, and it's got such a nice cute detail in the front where you can tie it up to accentuate your waist. This stunning Seafolly costume and a whole lot of other pretty items can be found at Seafolly, and Seafolly, you can get it at a shop in Bryanston Shopping Center if you're based in Johannesburg, called Lingerie and Leisure. It's such a cute store, and I promise you, you can find a gem in there. It's so full of different clothing and different items, whether it's lingerie or clothing or costumes or shawls that you can throw over your costumes. They have some amazing stuff. So you guys can definitely go to Lingerie and Leisure at Bryanston Shopping Center if you want to go and buy this costume from Seafolly. So I don't know about you, but I love chocolates, and I love chocolates that are good for you. Now you might be thinking, Mikhail, you're completely crazy, no chocolate is good for you. But I just recently stumbled across this chocolate. It's called Nova chocolates, and they're a lactose-free, sugar-free, gluten-free type of chocolate, and they taste so good that you don't even realize that you're having a chocolate that's gluten-free, lactose-free, and contains absolutely no sugar, which I fell in love with, and I've been eating their chocolates ever since, because every time I get a chocolate craving, I pop 1 or 2 pieces into my mouth and that's it. I'm satisfied. I feel so good. So I would really suggest that you buy this for a friend who loves chocolates. They come in 3 different flavors. They come in mint, they come in peanut butter, and they come in the normal dark chocolate. There's also another flavor, it's espresso, but I've eaten it already. So these were the only 3 that I had with me left to show you guys, but it's so cute. You can buy them like this. It's not that expensive. I think it's like 20 rand maybe a slab. These are the smaller slabs of 40 grams, but you get bigger slabs as well. This is so sweet, and it's such a cute gift, especially for the Christmas season, for those who know they want to lose weight. This is a guilt-free pleasure. And then last but not least, I really wanted to show you guys some really cool ideas that you can kind of make yourself and make it affordable for you. So I want to show you guys, I put together this little thing. So I love makeup, and I love receiving makeup, or buying makeup, or even if I get makeup sent to me, I love playing with it. So I know that any other girl, if you're a girl that wears makeup, you love to play with makeup. So this is something really cute. This bag I got from Essence. So what I really like is that you can buy this bag. It's super affordable, and you can buy stuff from the Essence brand, like for example this long-lasting gel. I think it retails for about 30 to 36 rand each, which is so affordable, especially if you're doing your own nails. What I love about this is that it goes on like gel, it lasts long, and it dries very quickly. So that's really cool. So I would pop that into there. This is a really nice lip gloss that I got from Essence as well. I got their mascara. This is the Lash Princess. I love Essence mascaras. I love their mascaras. And also this is really cute. This is our Almond Secret. So this is like a hand cream. It's really small. You can see it's like the size of my palm. So it's something really nice that they can just pop into their handbag whenever they need to. And I also got this really cool beauty sponge. Pop that into there as well. And if you're really looking for something extra, you can go ahead and just pop in a eyeliner or lip pencil and just close that up. Just wrap it up and give this to someone special, and I promise you they're going to love it. And so yeah, that's it for me. I hope that you enjoyed this little haul, or these little gift ideas that you can put together for Christmas. It's really cute ideas, and it's really affordable as well. Like I said, whether you want to splurge on someone special, or if you're working with a budget, I know towards the end of the season it can get a bit hectic. So this is what I put together to give you guys some ideas. And if you guys have any other questions, pop them down in the comments down below, and I will reply to each and every one of them. And yeah, that's just me from my little setup here, and I wish all of you a happy Merry Christmas. Please be safe, have a happy New Year, and I'm wishing you all the best for 2019. See you guys, bye. Audio Jungle.